Arnulf of Leuven, Salve Caput Cruentatum, Episode 6. Non me reum asperneris, non indignum dedignerdris, morte tibi iam vicina, tuum caput hic acclina, in meis pausa brachiis. Again, remember that these are rhyming stanzas of 8 beats per line, with the final line, the 5th line, rhyming with the end of the previous stanza. So this would rhyme with the end of line 25, which was, as you may remember, deliciis, like so. And the meter is basically trochaic, long-short. The poet continues now, and he's speaking to Christ. He says, non asperneris, may you not. Asperneris is from the first conjugation verb aspernor, like so, aspernor, aspernari, and therefore we take this as a subjunctive. It's a second singular, present, subjunctive, and passive as a deponent verb. So, may you not despise me, although I am guilty, or as a criminal. The object is me, masculine singular and accusative, and of course, reum is the same gender numbering case. Non dedigneris, may you not look down upon me or consider me unworthy, although I am unworthy, indignum. Dedigneris is also second singular present subjunctive passive from the verb dedignor, first conjugation deponent dedignardri, like so. So do not despise me, though guilty. Do not consider me unworthy, although I am unworthy, indignum. And then as he continues, he says, while death, morte, is now near to you, or is your neighbor. So we have morte here in the feminine singular and ablative, and I'm taking this as an ablative absolute. Vicina, also feminine singular ablative. Vicina is a noun, so I'm taking it in apposition to morte, and of course there is no participle present here because esse does not have a participle. So this is almost parenthetical, we might say. While death now is close to you, or is your neighbor, and tibi will be masculine, singular, and dative, and it is referring to Christ. This particular dative is used with vicina. So while death is now near to you, tuum caput, your head, here recline, acclina. So tuum caput is going to be the object, neuter, singular, and accusative, the object of acclina. Now, acclina is a second singular, present, imperative, and active from the first conjugation verb acclino, acclinardre, which means to lean, to recline. So lean your head here, hic. This hic, of course, is the adverb, so not the demonstrative adjective or pronoun, but the adverb hic, meaning in this place, or in hoc loco. So incline your head here, in my arms, in meis brachiis, in my arms, rest, pausa. Now the proper way to understand pausa, this is a bit of a question. I believe it is a noun, pausa, first declension. It's derived from Greek, pausai, feminine, and so I think we should take this as apposition to the former line. So recline your head here as a resting place, pausa, in my arms. That's my interpretation, at least. If you have a different suggestion, included in the comments. Brachiis, neuter, plural, and ablative, modified by meis, and of course this would be an ablativus loci, an ablative of place. Thank you so much for watching this free video. I hope that you learned a lot about the classical languages and advanced your knowledge and enjoyment. You can help us keep going with this instruction if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. We've had hundreds of thousands of views in the last 9 years, and we would really like to grow our number of subscribers. If you hit the little bell, you will be notified every time we release a brand new free instructional video. You can also check out one of my Latin or Greek courses at LatinPerDiem.com or mossmethod.com. Check the links if you'd like to study Latin and Greek with me directly. So keep learning, and vale tote omnes.